We often hear people doing dropshipping, that means selling e-commerce products online. But do you know that we can also dropship digital products and services? Online ready templates, logo design, video editing services, and social media marketing, all these can be dropshipped as well. I used to dropship household items like kitchen items. One chopping board, I can earn about $10. So I believe you understand how it works. You need to sell many chopping boards every single day. About 2 years ago, I set up another online business, and this time round, I focused on selling digital products and services. So I was promoting video editing service. Each video editing service, I earn about $100. So you must be asking me, I do not have any design skills or video editing skills. How am I going to set up this type of business? The good news is we can drop ship the services. Each video editing service I sold at $120, and I drop ship this service to a freelancer. So this freelancer actually charged me $20. So they are the supplier, and I instantly make $100. It is a very simple business model, and you do not need to have that kind of specific skill to get started. Another good news is the startup is very low. I started mine with nothing, and right now I'm a proud owner of a creative and media agency. Hi, my name is May, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I started my mompreneur journey as a dropshipper selling e-commerce products. I have pivoted my business to only promoting digital product and services. Besides promoting video editing services, my agency right now is doing a B2B business. So we help a lot of startup entrepreneurs and small business owners to get their brand started. Most of the digital products and services that I provide are mostly outsourced, and I call this the drop servicing method. Drop servicing is very similar to drop shipping. Instead of selling physical products, you are actually promoting digital products and services. So everything is done online. I have documented my whole journey on how I set up my drop servicing business. If this is something that you are interested to learn, then join me in my upcoming free webinar. I will be showing you my 4-step drop system. And with this system, you are able to start your own drop servicing business with little to zero startup capital. You do not even need to have your own products. So all the products that I will be sharing with you are all digital products and services. So do register for my webinar. So I will see you at my webinar.